Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, let me tell you, this channel is all about the valuable talks about Canada. I am going to tell you how you can check whether your college or university will provide postgraduate work permit or not. Dear friends, it is very easy to know. You just need to follow these steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step number 1. Open any browser and type www.canada.ca and search. Step number 2. Choose your language as English. Step number 3. Click on the Immigration and Citizenship. Step number 4. Click on the Study. Step number 5. Click on Find a school under the most requested. Step number 6. Go down and choose a provision. As for example, I am choosing Ontario. I am typing here Cambrian. So guys, you can see the Cambrian college is providing the postgraduate work permit. But friends, in some cases, colleges or universities are not providing work permit. So in this case, you have to check before you are applying for the course in that college. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel for more information regarding Canada.